G'day everyone, it's Chriso. They want a 3-tile strip down the middle, so that's what they're getting. The tile is a little bit bigger than these other ones, so we'll just I'll just make the grout line a lot smaller and we'll make it work. Just like we are. Press them into place. Give them a little bit of a tap, people. See the pattern forming? They're quite cool if you like this sort of thing. I would have done the whole floor personally. But I suggested it and they said, oh, it might look too busy. Well, okay, fair enough. I'm not out in the hot sun. It's nice inside. Beautiful. Okay. I should pin these little suckers in. Have I got them at the right width? No, I have not. Okay, fine. We'll get around that. We'll just cut some more at that width. What do I want? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of the suckers. Okay. Good one. That's one. Two. Three. Four. One more. Yeah, so once I've laid that through there, I can carry on, and then I just bring those cream ones out and we're laughing. Bill, one of my viewers, wanted me to show them what I do here. So I'll show you, Bill. Ramping it at the doorway. Anything that you want to know, people, I'll mix up some more glue, eh? Anything you want to know, just drop me a line through one of the videos and you're laughing. I'll just go out to the van and get a bag of glue. See you soon.